Can't knock on the door, can ya?
December 7th, 1989.
Huh?
The day this world's stability was thrown out of control. That was the day many cases of fear and devils spiked up. I was wondering why, but looking at you, I can already see it.
Ha! Guess I'm pretty well known, ain't I? Some kids are waiting on me, so cut to the chase.
I believe someone like you is dangerous, but perhaps you can be better. So tell me, would you be happy on a leash? Or do I have to put you down?
I think I'll pass on both.
Well played.